Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, where your questions get the answers that it need. And in this video, I will be showing you how you can use Adobe Firefly's new Generative Fill AI in order to make magic out of your normal pictures. Alright, so first of all, you need to head over to your browser and search up Adobe Firefly, and from the search results, you should head over to one that says Adobe Firefly Generative AI for Creatives and click on it. And it will send you to this link. It is free. There's no need to pay. This is not Photoshop, and most especially this is beta, so it's all free. And all you need to do now is just click on the Explore Firefly beta. And I think you also need to log in if you haven't. So you click on Explore Firefly beta, and it will send you to this new tab. And for this video, we're going to be focusing only on the generative fill, so you only need to click on this one. And yes, here you have the pictures. These are templates that are already prepared by Adobe, but for the sake of having fun, I'm going to be using some of my own pictures that I have found on the internet. Let's use this one. This picture of a laptop on a desk. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can do here, and let's start. So let's say we want to replace this laptop with something else. Alright, so let's try and replace this laptop with something else. So all you need to do is just click on the add tool, which we are already using, and just brush over the part here over the laptop. And let's say we want to make an upgrade. Let's turn it into a gaming laptop, and let's just let AI do the job. It might take a while, but all you need to do is wait. There you go. It changed into something else. It added some weird new icons that I can't even read. But if you don't like this one, you can also choose from their various pictures to choose from. So let's say click on this one. Look at that. Now that one looks amazing. It has a reflection too. Oh, this one looks perfect. You see, it even has some sort of accessory behind it. And this one just looks like a mess. But let's say you don't like it. So all you need to do is cancel and clear to return it to its original picture. And now let's use something else. Let's say you want to change the background. All you need to do is click on this background tool over here and let AI do the job. There you go. The background has been removed. And let's say you want to change the place into the gaming setup. Okay, let's let AI do its job, and we get it. A gaming setup filled with other accessories in documents. That's actually quite funny. And this doesn't look like a gaming setup, but it does look awesome. Look at that. Seems like it was part of the picture to begin with. Let's check out the other suggestions. Wow, this looks majestic. Oh my. Oh, this one looks perfect. Well, there you go. This is what Adobe Firefly's Generative Fill AI can do. So if you're looking forward to do some magic with your pictures, be sure to check out Adobe Firefly and just follow what you want. So if you like this picture, just click on it and it's there. That is now your picture from the one that we uploaded earlier. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped a lot. This was Generation Unravel saying bye-bye.